Looking for the perfect electric kettle in 2025? Whether you're into tea, coffee, or just want hot water fast, here are the top 5 electric kettles that combine speed, style, and performance. The Fellow Stag EKG is a premium choice for serious coffee and tea lovers, with precise temperature control ranging from 135 degrees Fahrenheit to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for pour-over brewing. The sleek, minimalist design and gooseneck spout give you full control. Featuring digital temperature control and a sleek, modern design, this kettle offers a 0.9-liter capacity, perfect for smaller brews. The gooseneck spout ensures precision pouring, and the keep warm function keeps your water at the perfect temperature, ready when you are. Start your day with the perfect brew. Meet the Kosori Electric Gooseneck Kettle, crafted for coffee and tea lovers. With 5 temperature presets from 170 degrees to 212 degrees and a precision gooseneck spout, it's ideal for pour-over perfection. Made of 100% stainless steel, it heats 0.8 L in minutes with 1200 W. The keep warm function holds your temperature for up to 60 minutes, while auto shutoff ensures safety. Its sleek matte black design adds style and saves space. Upgrade your brew with the Breville IQ Kettle. This sleek stainless steel kettle offers 5 precise temperature presets for black, green, white, oolong, or French press, ensuring the perfect cup every time. Its soft open lid prevents splashes, while the keep warm function holds your water at the ideal temp for 20 minutes. With fast boiling and a clear water level window, it's as practical as it is stylish. Ready to elevate your tea or coffee game? Meet the Muller Living Electric Kettle. This 1.8-liter stunner, crafted from borosilicate glass, boils water fast with 1500 W speed boil tech. Enjoy automatic shutoff for safety, a vibrant blue LED light, and cordless pouring for convenience. Ideal for tea, coffee, or quick meals. Its BPA-free design ensures pure, clean water. Want to brew better at home? Meet the KitchenAid Electric Kettle. This 1.25-liter beauty boils water in minutes with 1500 W power. Its stainless steel body and smooth aluminum handle bring retro style, while the removable lime-scale filter keeps water pure. The LED on-off switch is easy to use, and the 360-degree swivel base makes pouring effortless. Perfect for tea or coffee lovers. Love these kettles? Like and subscribe for more home inspo. Check out the full list and links to our top 5 electric kettles of 2025 in the blog below.